Oh, winter's definitely here. Get another wet day. Hi, girls. Hello there. Youngest and always first out. Oh, good girl, Chloe. Astrid, you looking pretty. Good girls. Come on out. Come on out, Phoebes. Hi, Neo. Hello, my little girl. Oh, he stands so proudly. Hi. Hi. Hi, Bear. Hello, Phoebe. May I pet you today? No, that's okay. How about you, Neo? Hey, hey. You're not too cool for Daddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, little girl. Little girl. You're acting so silly. Those are my ladies. I can pet Astrid, but not Neo in the morning. Go figure. Whoa. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Yeah, it's double combo for Daddy. It's wet and cold. Yes, I know. Thank you for the reminder to grab the snacks that are in my hands. If you hadn't been pecking my boots, I would have forgotten. You feel better, Neo? Now, is that not pretty? 5 hands eating from my hand at once. Oh, gesundheit. Astrid. Come here, Neo. Get into your feet. There we are. those. There you go. You look good, Chloe. You look like a young chick. You look like a poet. Yeah. So young and beautiful. You too, Mare. Oh, my beautiful girls. Hello, Neo. Now, in case you guys hadn't spotted it, after Neo's last molt, she got some highlights. The very tip of her wings now sport some white highlights on both sides. She's very, very fashionable, in case you didn't realize. Chloe's been talking with her, telling her she needs a highlight. So I didn't release a video yesterday, so just want to say, or I didn't film one yesterday, Happy New Year's to everyone. Got off to a bit of a rough start in a few places in the States. My sympathies to everyone involved. For my overseas viewers who may not have heard or know, I'm located in Canada, north of the USA. We are not the same. We're both North Americans, but we are two different countries. New Year's Day, early in the morning, a very sick man who surprisingly had, I think it was 15 years of military experience, drove around in a vehicle with an ISIS flag, intentionally running over people coming out of the clubs, as well as had several explosive devices. I don't believe any went off. They were all found in time. So that was a really rough start for 2025 for Americans. I believe, and I'm sure I'll be corrected if I'm wrong, I'm going from memory and I don't know the states that well, but I believe it was in New Orleans, where they say is the party capital of the States. So a lot of people just trying to have a good time and just senselessly getting run over and killed. The driver was killed by cops during a shootout after he shot 2 cops. And then the other tragedy, which is slightly funny, has to do with the Cybertruck, the world's worst modern vehicle. Somebody decided that they would try to bomb Trump Tower before Trump arrived there, and loaded a Cybertruck up with gasoline and fireworks. The Cybertruck, made of stainless steel, was so tough that the explosion basically went upwards. He was parked just outside the lobby, and not even a glass window broke. Some people were injured by debris and by heat, and obviously the driver was killed because he set off the explosive inside the vehicle he was in. But yeah, I don't know if that's a win or a fail for a Cybertruck, because the Cybertruck has a lot of fails. It's quite ugly. The body panels don't line up like a lot of Teslas. It's not considered road safe in several countries. Its headlights are recessed, so when you're doing truck things like going off-roading, which it doesn't do very well, mud gets stuck in there and you lose your headlights. Or if it's snowing, snow gets in there and you can't see where you're going. And if the snow doesn't get clogged in there, the running lights are bright and point upwards enough that any snowfall gets illuminated, preventing you from actually seeing the road ahead of you. So the later statements are all fails on the Cybertruck. The fact that it could contain a medium explosive device and funnel all the energy upwards, is that a win or a fail on the Cybertruck? Anyways, 2025 has started off chaotic. There's many other stories around the world. I try to avoid politics when I can, so I'm not getting into it too much, but those were some of the noticeable ones I thought you'd be interested in hearing. Chloe, stop picking on your sisters. Mare seems to be getting picked on lately, and she just don't care. She's so easygoing, but I don't like it when they're picking on Neo too. I think Chloe's just getting grouchy from her molt. Don't blame her, it's not fun. Yeah. To a chicken. It's like having a period that lasts 1 to 2 months. Don't care how well you take it, after a while you're gonna start getting mighty grouchy. Oh, just like a woman, always beautiful during and afterwards. Yes, you hear that? You're still beautiful even when you're being a grouch. She did pick on Mare then. I think she got the point of the story. All right, guys. I've rambled through the last half more than enough. Hope you all take care of yourselves, stay safe. And I know in the scheme of the world, we're a very small group, my subscribers and I. But let's try to make 2025 a little bit better, not just for ourselves, but those around us. I think if we can make the people around us happier, they'll work on making us feel happier too. Well, at least some of them should. I don't know if you saw that. Dio cocked her head in agreement as I was talking. I love that her wingtips have white on them. It's another thing. Any of my subscribers still listening? Have any of your girls had a change like that after a molt? Let me know. Don't care about the YouTube algorithm and stuff. I actually do want to know. And if you've written to me, you know I always try to reply back as quickly as I can. Any fresh water is the best water, Phoebe says. Better than bottled water. Because that water's in a bottle, even though it's not bottled water per se. But she don't know the difference. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.